Achoo!
Bless you.
Thank you. Wait, I live alone. How the hell did someone get in here? Nah, ain't no way. Hold on. JG Wentworth, 877.
No.
Okay, how about... Hold on, wait a minute.
Y'all thought I was finished? When I bought that Aston Martin, y'all thought it was rented?
Ooh, flexing on these... Focus. All right. Nah, he ain't gonna say this one. Arby's.
We out here. You thought I was gonna say this shit for real? Bro, don't ever disrespect me again.
Yeah, bro, I'm probably tripping. Must be talking about demons again.
You're not tripping, bro. I'm real. Like, you dead ass in danger. I'm a real demon. Your life is at stake.
Oh, alright, thank you.
Yeah, stop playing with me.
Nah, bro.
Hey, where you going? Wait, get back here. I'm robbing your house and your wife.